for everyone out there who cares about truth, justice, and the American way. Combine that with Trump being arrested, and I think it all adds up to this situation where they care about power more than we care about power. And they're willing to do whatever it takes. And I can't stop thinking about this freak result in Pennsylvania where they put Fetterman in office and how nobody's even paying attention to the fact that he's effectively been in a hospital now for 3 months since he got to D.C. He can't do the job. So Democrats have not only a maniacal fixation on power, but along with that, on winning. Was there any threat really of, en masse in large numbers of whoever the Democrat nominee was going to be in 2020? Were there Democrats saying, "Oh, I won't turn out for that, unless it's my Democrat, I won't do it"? No. Yep. Was there a lot of Democrat infighting that cost them different races, different close races in states? No. Because ultimately, I don't know how many Star Trek nerds there are out there, which I used to watch it when I was a kid a little bit more. But the Borg, which is like these cyborgs that are all interconnected? The Democrats are like the Borg, okay? Ultimately, they do whatever they have to do to win the intergalactic war for power. And we sit around going, I don't know, that's, what the founders have said about it. I'm just saying, we got to get a little ruthless on our team. This is my book, Buck, that now I believe is coming out in August. It's a game plan. If you keep getting your ass kicked, you're running the wrong game plan, right? I mean, I don't know how to say it otherwise. And you pointed out, it is fair, Glenn Youngkin won an unexpected win in 2021. But basically, think about the elections since 2016. How often have you been super engaged, excited, and thrilled with the results? If you keep losing, sooner or later, you have to change the game plan. You have to get nastier. You have to get more committed. You have to figure out how to win. And the number of people, I think, Buck, who just sit around and say, well, I think your founder example is a good one. What would John Adams have said about this? Well, John Adams would have kicked the British's ass, but he wouldn't have kept getting his ass kicked. And I think we got way too few fighters out there, to be frank. Way too many people looking over their shoulder. What's the New York Times going to write if I say that? How's the Washington Post going to respond? Stack up. It's all that matters is scoreboard, man. I remember this. When I played on teams, or when I was even coaching a team, no matter what the other team said, at the end of the game, all that mattered was the scoreboard. So, best trash talk is scoreboard. Yeah, that's it. So, we got to rack it up, friends. Which means also, we got to be very honest about where we're weak, where we're strong, and what needs to be done. Pure Talk operates their business with a customer-first approach. Starts with their monthly service price for nationwide 5G service at just $30 a month. That gives you unlimited talk, text, and plenty of data. Pure Talk chairman is a U.S. veteran. No surprise, Pure Talk cares about supporting veterans and our military. When you become a Pure Talk customer, you have an option to support America's Warrior Partnership to prevent veteran suicide.
No
Cell phone
phones.
service, by the way, is amazing. That's what you're paying for. That's what you're getting. I'm a customer. My calls don't drop. My data delivered quickly, and the customer service is the best I've ever had. All you have to do to switch to Pure Talk, this American company, is dial pound 250, say Clay and Buck. You'll save 50% off your first month. When you make the switch, you can do it in as little as about 10 minutes. You keep your phone and your number if you want. They make it super easy. Okay, get this. Pure Talk will save the average-sized family about $1,000 a year in savings in the bank for you. Make the switch. Do what I did. Dial pound 250, say Clay and Buck. Save 50% off your first month. On the front line of truth.
KFBK has your chance to win $1,000 now. Just enter this nationwide keyword on our website. Fun. F-U-N. That's fun. Enter it now at KFBK.com. Good luck. KFBK.com is your chance to win. Your latest news, traffic, and weather.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM.
area. So far, no reports of shots fired or any injuries. Taiwan's president is in the U.S. for talks with Republican House Speaker Kevin McCarthy. Talks are being held at the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library in Simi Valley, California. Highest level meeting with the Taiwanese president on U.S. soil since 1979. And Gas Buddy says OPEC's decision to cut production will send gas prices higher. Gas Buddy estimates the cuts will cause gas prices to rise 10 to 20 cents. The average price of a gallon of gas in the U.S. is 52. Traffic and weather together is KFTK Morning Hour.
These little slow in the Walnut Grove area, northbound 5 between Peltier Road and Walnut Grove Road. Caltrans actually doing some road work to clear up some potholes. Main Street ran a traffic wreck, which is why you're seeing that slowdown. Once you get past that, looks good up towards the Elk Grove area, and still got some slow traffic in the Natomas area, northbound 5, right near West El Camino Avenue. A car accident. Over to the shoulder right now, that is your back up to Richards Boulevard. Traffic 10 every 10 minutes. Mornings and afternoons, we're in the middle of KPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Still under cool weather for today with sunshine mixing with a couple of clouds. It's 61 to 65 for the high, and then we're clear overnight, low 41 to 45. I'm AccuWeather's meteorologist Jeff Nordine on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. 58 degrees in Sacramento. Currently the Dow up by 65 points, while the NASDAQ off by 149. S&P 500 down by 15. Bob Williams, KFBK News Radio. Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news, the second it happens on KFBK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station. Hi there, Pat Walsh for Roseville Numismatics and Coin Shop. If you have gold, silver, or platinum jewelry, if you have rare coins, find out what they're worth and possibly walk away with a nice check. Roseville Numismatics and Coin Shop interested in coins aged 1964 or prior, specifically dimes, quarters, half dollars, silver dollars, and nickels, not so much. Stop by the company I trust and that you can trust. Roseville Numismatics and Coin Shop, family owned and operated, 898 Douglas Boulevard in Roseville. Just knock on the door. Tell him Patrick sent you.
Join us for the hottest action and experience winning like never before at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Sacramento at Fire Mountain. Voted best casino in Sacramento. Fridays and Saturdays at Hard Rock, it's the $2,250,000 Jeep Wrangler 4xe giveaway. Win cash and prizes or drive away in a brand new Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Only at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Sacramento at Fire Mountain.
It can be dangerously easy to steal your identity during tax season because so much sensitive info is all together.
Before we start the annual meeting of Sean's personal info, has anyone seen Social Security number? Not me.
Oh no.